Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, cloth seat trim, glass, solar-ray deep tinted mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, wheels, 18 inches, 45.7 centimeters, painted steel in the tires, LT 265/70 R18E all-terrain, black wall. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.